Hello guys, I hope you're good. Okay, so this is the Forester XT model. So today I want to teach you guys how to remove the check engine lights. Yeah, if you're probably experiencing this in the 2013-2014 models, you can use this to remove the check engine lights. So let me just fix it into the, so you guys will see this is where you fix it. So let me fix it. Yep, done. And then after fixing it, you press the menu button, you enter, waiting for vehicle to respond. Okay, codes found. You scroll down with this, you erase codes before, then are you sure? Yes, after. So it's as simple as that. You guys can get this device from me, selling it, if you are experiencing these problems. Thank you.